Hello and welcome back to the world of the spirit consciousness. This is the continuation of the book study session, the Etheric Double. We are currently in the ninth module, which deals with the application of etheric faculties, which forms part of chapter 22. In this section of this module, we will be discussing some of the observations which have been made in etheric side. So, a fully developed and controlled etheric site can grant the possessor the ability to see through physical matter. For example, a brick wall appears to have a consistency of a uniform light mist. One will be able to perfectly describe what is inside a closed box or the contents of a sealed letter. With practice, one can find a passage in a closed book. So, coming to some specific observations, say how the Earth looks like the Earth is somewhat transparent to etheric vision, so a person can significantly look into its depth as much as one can see through fairly clear water. Thus, one can see creatures burrowed underground or the vein of materials like coal or metal if they are not too deep under the surface. Humans and animals, the bodies of humans and animals are largely transparent, and thus one can see the action of the internal organs, and up to a certain extent can detect a disease with the help of etheric sight. Etheric bodies, etheric vision would enable a person to see the etheric bodies of other people. This etheric body would mostly be found lingering over freshly dug graves. At seance meetings, the etheric matter would be visible as flowing from the left side of the medium, and the person could witness how the communicating entities engage with it. Nature spirits, so etheric vision allows one to see many beings of the lower strata of nature spirits who have etheric bodies. So beings like fairies, gnomes, brownies, whose tales are told in the highlands of Scotland, Ireland, and other countries belonging to this group. Colors, etheric vision unlocks doors to new colors. So these colors are completely different from the color spectrum we are conventionally aware of. Hence, it is not possible to describe the colors as one sees in etheric vision. In some instances, these colors are mixed with the colors we usually know of. Hence, what appears as two matching surfaces in normal vision appears a little different to etheric vision. So, N rays have also been observed with the help of etheric vision. More clarity on that. So, N rays are the result of vibrations in the etheric body which cause waves in the nearby ether. So they are emitted by animals, flowers, metals, but under the influence of chloroform, all three of them stop emitting the rays. So since anesthetics like chloroform remove the etheric matter from the physical body, N rays cannot be emitted. Likewise, N rays are never radiated by a corpse. Certain other observations, chemists can witness and observe an entirely new world. They can experiment with ethers in the same way they deal with liquids and gases. So, various etheric materials belong to the mineral kingdom but are unknown to the world of Western science. For instance, in the first round, the human bodies were made up of only etheric matter and look like hazy, shapeless mist drifting about. Attaining an etheric vision would also let us know how healthy or unhealthy our surroundings are. We would be able to observe germs of diseases and other impurities. So the next video in this module is about methods of developing etheric site. Stay tuned.